Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Liza English Podcast. We are really happy to have you here again. If this is your first time listening, welcome to our English learning space, where we help you improve your English in a simple, natural, and practical way. I am your host, Liza, and I'm here with my co-host, Chris.
Hey, everyone. Today's topic is very important for me because honestly, I get nervous ordering food in English.
And that's actually very common. Many English learners feel confident studying English at home, but when they go to a restaurant or order food online, suddenly their brain stops working.
Exactly. Especially when the waiter starts speaking fast.
Yes. So today we are going to practice ordering food at a restaurant, ordering food online, polite English phrases, useful vocabulary, confidence tips, real-life conversations. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends learning English. Ordering food is one of the most useful real-life English skills. You use it while traveling, at restaurants, in cafes, at food courts, while ordering online, even during phone calls.
And food conversations happen everywhere. Honestly, food might be the most important English topic in my life.
I expected that answer. Okay, Chris, let's imagine we just entered a restaurant. What's the first thing the waiter usually says?
Maybe, hello?
Yes, and often, welcome. How many people? Table for two? These are very common phrases.
I always panic at how many people, even though the answer is just a number.
That's why practice is important. You can answer, table for two, please. Just one person. We are 3 people. Now you sit down and receive the menu. Chris, what do you usually do first?
Honestly, I pretend I understand the menu while secretly panicking inside.
That is very real for many learners. Useful questions. What do you recommend? What is popular here? What comes with this meal?
That's useful because sometimes menus have difficult words.
Exactly. And if you don't understand something, you can politely say, "What does this mean? Could you explain this dish? What is in this?" Now the waiter comes to take the order. This is the most important moment. Chris, try ordering something simple.
Okay. I would like a burger and fries, please.
Perfect. That sentence is polite and natural. Other useful phrases. Can I get a chicken sandwich? I'd like a coffee. Could I have a pizza?
I think, could I have, sounds very professional.
Yes, it sounds polite and confident. Okay, Chris, let's do a full restaurant role play. I'll be the waiter. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a cheeseburger, fries, and a cola, please.
Would you like anything else?
Maybe ketchup. A lot of ketchup.
Very important English vocabulary right there. Now let's talk about special requests. Sometimes you want less spice, no onions, extra cheese, vegetarian options. Useful phrases. No onions, please. Can I get extra cheese? Is this spicy? Do you have vegetarian food?
I feel like, is this spicy? Is a survival sentence.
Especially for travelers.
One thing that scares learners is when the waiter speaks too fast.
Yes, and that's completely normal. If you don't understand, don't panic. You can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that? Could you speak a little slower? I didn't catch that." These are very important confidence phrases. Now let's move to online food ordering. This is very common today. Chris, do you order food online often?
Too often. My phone knows my favorite restaurant better than I do.
That sounds dangerous. When ordering online, you still use English skills. Reading menus, choosing options, writing notes, talking to delivery drivers. Here are common words: delivery, pickup, checkout, add to cart, payment method, order confirmation.
Add to cart is probably the most dangerous button ever invented.
Especially when you are hungry. Sometimes apps let you add delivery notes. Useful examples: please call when you arrive. Leave the food at the door. Extra sauce, please.
I always write polite notes because I want my fries to arrive safely.
Now let's practice a simple delivery conversation. Hello, I'm outside.
Okay, I'm coming.
Can you come downstairs?
Yes, 1 minute, please.
Very natural. Simple English works best. Now let's talk about confidence. Many learners think, I need perfect English before speaking. But actually, simple English plus confidence equals successful communication.
Honestly, restaurants are not grammar exams. People just want to understand your order.
Exactly. You do not need advanced vocabulary to order food successfully. Listeners, repeat after us. I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Could I have a chicken sandwich?
Could I have a chicken sandwich?
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Excellent. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake number 1, being too afraid to speak. Mistake number 2, trying to use very complicated English.
That's true. Sometimes simple English sounds more natural anyway.
Exactly. Instead of long, complicated sentences, use short, clear, polite English. Let's review useful restaurant phrases. Table for 2, please. I would like a burger. Could I have a coffee? What do you recommend? Can you repeat that? No onions, please. Is this spicy? And online ordering phrases. Please call when you arrive. Leave the order at the door. I'm coming downstairs.
Honestly, now I'm just hungry.
Remember, everyone, confidence grows through practice. The more you use English in real situations, the easier it becomes. Start simple, speak slowly, and don't fear mistakes.
And if your English isn't perfect, at least order fries confidently.
That brings us to the end of today's episode of the Liza English Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast.
And next time you order food, try using English confidently.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing and keep improving your English every day.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.